Hi, we have got a lot of really fun work to do on lesson practice. In your notebook, in your math journal, there is not a lot of room. I suggest that you work along the edges or get a blank sheet of paper. I really recommend that you do this with me because it's going to be popping up a lot in your homework, and I want you to get really comfortable with finding mean, mode, median, and range, and an outlier. So join with me, grab some paper, and let's begin. Our first thing, Janelle has got all her scores for her game. They want us to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range for Janelle's game. I'm going to do most of my work over on the side. Our first thing is to find the mean. So I'm going to start adding. And the thing that we have to make sure is that I'm adding correctly. 50, 80, 90. I could see there have been times where I've forgotten to put a digit. I've overlooked a digit. So don't let this happen to you. Okay? So I'm looking. I've got to make sure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. And it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. So I'm missing something. 50 plus 80 plus 90 plus 85 plus, I think we forgot this 90 right here. So I'm going to put her right up here because I was like, that would really throw us off. So make sure that you've got all of your digits in place. You've got them lined up by place value. Let's begin adding. 5, 10. Oh, goodness. Guys, I'm glad that we have that. Now, I'm going to count how many 9s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 9s. And then 4 9s is 36. And then I have 2 8s is 16, and a 5 and a 6. 5 and a 1, so I'm going to do 6. So we have 18 is 5. So we go 8 right here, and then a 5 right here, and that gives us 680. That's a lot to add up. And then we're going to divide it into, how many games did she play? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we're going to take 680 and divide it by 8. And we know that 8 times 8 is 64. We have 4, carry our 0, and 40 divided by 8 is 5, 40, 0. And it's perfect. So her mean, the mean for this is 85. Yay! That, I think, is the hardest part. Now we can get down to the rest of it. So the mean is 85. The next thing that we need to find is the median. So let's organize these by least to greatest. So we have 50, 80, 85. Let's see, 50, 85, 90, 90. Let's look, 95 and 100. And so we want to find our median, which is the middle number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm feeling like I need one more 90 in there. This little 90 always gets left out. So we're going to erase our little 90. I'm like, this just does not feel right. So my poor little 90 has always been, it's always been lost. So there we go, 90, then 95, and then 100. And remember that our median is the middle when the numbers are in order. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is right here. So our middle would be right here. Since they're both the same number, then we can feel good about saying that our median is 90. Because if you remember, looking up here, the median is a set of numbers in the middle. When they're even numbers, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. So if we were to add 90 plus 90 is 180 divided by 2 gives us 90. So nice that we have both the same numbers in them on both sides. So median is 90. Now let's find our mode. And remember, our mode is the number that occurs the most often. It is 90 on this. Once more, because we have 90 occurring 3 times. See right here too. So our mode is 90. And the range goes from 50 to 100. So to do our range, we would say 100 minus 50. So our highest number and our lowest number. So our range is 50. And that outlier is actually going to be 50 because it's way out there. It's not close to this group of numbers. So our outlier is 50. There we go. Now let's try the second set. I don't know if I'll have room, guys, but wish me best. It's looking kind of messy. I hope yours looks a little better, but we'll keep working. Find the mean, mode, median of this set of numbers. So I'm going to have you add them up. I'm going to add them up. I'm going to pause and I'll come right back with our answers. Okay, due to the interest of time, I did the adding elsewhere because I'm running out of time and space, but I hope that you did it. So let's require this group. Our mean for this group is going to be 29. You add these all up and then you divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will give you your mean of 29. The median is 30. That's the middle number if you organize them all out. The mode that occurs most often is 31, occurring twice in our set. And the range is found by taking the highest number, 31, and subtracting it from our lowest number, 25. So our range is 6. On number C, letter C, it says find the median of the test scores shown below and explain how you found your answer. We have this slew of numbers. It's an even set, so there isn't one number that's parked in between. If there's an odd numbered set, then we're great. We just use that odd number. But in this situation, our median is occurring right in between 80 and 90. So to do that, we take find the average between these two numbers. So I say 90 plus 80 is 170. I divide 170 by 2. And I get 16. And then pull down our 0. We get 85. So the You could do all the numbers, or you can look at it and know that between 80 and 90, the middle point for this is going to be 85. Okay. Finally, line plots, they hit really hard when we're on state testing. They want you to identify how many, this stands for the age of each of the children attending a party, how many children attended the party. So each X represents a child. So you can find out how many attended the party by just counting up all of our X's. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 children attended the party. Then what was the mode of the ages? And remember, the mode is the number that occurs the most. We can see really clearly on this line plot that 10 is our mode. And that is it, guys. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope you love this as much as I do. Bless you for working hard. Keep it up. You will find this all over the place. Open up a newspaper. You will find median, mode. It's going to be fun. You'll love it.